CAD Forex market, second time for the day today. Dollar Canadian, as advertised. Guys, I'm just about to pull the trigger here on a new bearish campaign where we're going to be trying to catch about 180 pip. All right. The destination is 123.07, and I know you're not stranger to the situation here because we've been here just, I think it was like 3 days ago, maybe 4 days ago. I was telling you all about that 125.41 that seems to be holding, right? But I think we talked about that. I was seeing through this, this charade, right? This pretendence of support, 25.41, which was holding for a few days. I told you I don't buy that. I said specifically I'm expecting a breakdown, right? And that came pretty soon. I mean, pretty fast. We didn't wait for too much, and we got that breakdown yesterday. Today it looks like it's confirming that breakdown, just continuing to push downwards, and it's time. It's time to take action. We've waited enough for this to happen. All of our conditions have met, right? We got that breakdown. We got price action accelerating the breakdown that we got from coming off yesterday. And of course, the most important part is this. Looking at the big picture, now we know 125.41 was never broken, not for a second. Even though it looked like it was, price action was again, deceptive, as always, right? Very deceptive. Basically setting up some bullish traps on the way up. That's what it was. You see that head that's sticking out of 25.41. That was the trap. That was the bullish trap for a few days. Just attracted a lot of buyers, and now obviously it's squeezing them out. That's what we call, bullish squeeze, or should I say long squeeze. So at this point, guys, we're coming up relatively strong for the first trade. We started with 10K. Like I said, about 180 pip, right? So it's not a very short move. And so I guess we're gonna have many more. We're gonna have more opportunities in the next coming days to enhance the position, to push more, to unload, to load up, and before we hit the target. We should also mention 24.31. That's an obstacle standing in the way. So we need to see how we're gonna handle that one. But we're gonna be careful. All right, we should be cautious. 124.31 could be the end of the road for this negative momentum right now, but we'll have to see. If price crosses over, of course, that's where we get more aggressive, and that's where we try to get, to push the position to maximum size before we hit the target. All right, guys, last thing before we go, stop loss level 126.25. As you can see, that's enough distance to keep us safe here, so I believe. But I guess we'll have to wait and see. We'll let time do its thing. We'll come back and we'll follow up on the situation as we usually do. That's about that Forex market, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. We're going to be back with the next video, so don't go away. I'm going to be talking about the cryptocurrency market. Cheers.